Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Starting a new video today on a Ram 1500. It's a 2021 model truck. It's one of those trucks that I really like the way that this one's going to look. I like the build. It was my sale. It's a all gloss white truck. It's getting some black and milled TIS 547 BM wheels and an 8-inch Belltech lift with some 37-inch Furies. I am pretty excited about the build itself, so that's why I kind of jumped out here to do this video real quick. It's leather black interior is what I like on vehicles. It's got this really cool center console thing that I'm thinking about looking up on the internet. That thing's awesome. It just laid over the top of his console here. Truck's really cool. I wanted to say I appreciate it to the customer for driving. I think he came from Tennessee today for this, and we're about to get started on it. I'm gonna get out of the truck and show you what it looks like first though. All gloss white truck, all color matched bumpers, color matched grill, color matched front end. This is giving me Tahoe vibes. I said he's from Tennessee. He's got a New Orleans Saint tag on the front. Definitely has a Louisiana tag hanging from the sun visor. I'm sorry, from the mirror up there. And I usually don't try to put people's license plates, but that's a cool license plate. Who dat? So anyway, check the truck out. What do you think about it? Leave me a comment. Let me know. We're about to get started on it now. I'm pretty excited about this build. I think it's going to look amazing. 26s and 37s on an 8-inch lift. You can't go wrong. Stay tuned. So we got our Ram 1500 ready to go with the 8-inch Belltech lift kit. We did some 26 by 12 TIS 547 BM wheels and that black and milled finish. It looks so good. And we did a 37 1250 26 Fury RT tire. This is a new size. I haven't done much of this. I've never done this set of tires before, so it's my first time. They look like they're a little bit less aggressive. Maybe they'll be a little bit quieter on the road. Truck looks nice. It looks great. Can't wait to show it to the customer. I don't think he's seen the truck yet, so I'm gonna show you guys first. Stay tuned. I'm about to flip the camera around and show it to you. So for all you Ram guys on the channel, here's another one. I keep saying I'm gonna throw a Ram in, I'm gonna throw a Ram in. There's some on the channel. They just don't come around as often. I do like these trucks a lot. And the lighting is absolutely horrible, so to avoid some shadows, I'm going to go on this side of the truck. Let's look at our Belltech lift kit first. This is the 6 to 8 inch Belltech lift kit. It's very, very similar to the way we do McGaughy's on Chevys. I'm not going to say they copied McGaughy's, but they definitely got some motivation from them. So this is the cross member that you can use from 6 to 8 inches. So if you set it at 6 inches, the axle angles are better, but if you set it at 8, they're still okay. There's the angle on the front CV axle. This is the strut right here that makes everything possible from 6 to 8 inches. If you see the adjusting rings right about there, you can remove those or add those for lift height. So it's really cool. This one is set at 8 inches because we did 37s. And we did the 26 by 12 wheel to avoid a lot of trimming. We had to do some, but you can see that the fender flare is still intact. And up on the front bumper, we just did plastic. That needs to be smoothed out actually before the customer goes. But the tires and wheels fit. It turns all the way. Truck looks phenomenal. I wanted to say I appreciate it to the customer for driving. He drove from Nashville, Tennessee today to be here. I think he's from Louisiana originally. So to explain what I said earlier in the video, he's got a Saints tag with a Tennessee license plate. So I asked him, he's from Louisiana and he lives in Tennessee now. So I appreciate you guys coming from out of state to get this done. If you have any questions about this build, feel free to reach out. Give me a call. The number here is 678-994-9180. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia, and my name is Jake. All right, so here we are. The last clip you would have watched was filmed, I just checked the date, it was October the 17th. Today's date is October the 30th, and we are back in this truck. We are in Georgia. This truck came back from Tennessee. The tires that we put on this truck were the 37 1250 26 Fury RT. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't get paid by anybody to sell this brand or sell that brand. There's nothing that motivates me to tell you what does good and what does bad more than just the experience that I get and the customer service that I have to be. I have to be your customer service representative after the fact of the video. So if I film a cool video and send you out on the road, and then I just ghost you the next 2 weeks after that about issues you have, then what's the whole point of me even doing the videos? So I held this video because that day when you guys saw that last clip be filmed, that day we realized that the tires were going to shake. They were high road force. I was nervous about it in the beginning anyways. I don't know what it is about the Fury MT that seems to ride better, seems to balance better than the Fury RT, but he drove back because I ordered him different tires, and we planned on this to come back, and the customer's in the office waiting, and we're cool. And I told him that I was going to hold the video and film after the fact. So we still haven't put the new tires on the truck yet. I'm in the truck right now. He's here. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're about to put the 37 1350 26 Fury MTs on the truck and hope that the tires balance a little better. But this set of RTs is going to go back to Fury. I don't know if it's all the tires in that size or if it's all the the RTs in general, but they're going to work with us on this one and swap these tires out for this customer, because a vibration at 80 miles an hour, you understand there's going to be a little bit, right? We all go into this. We're putting big mud tires on trucks, whatever. 80 miles an hour, you're going to feel the tires a little bit, but a vibration that just shakes you out of the seat, we don't want that. We don't want that for anybody. So stay tuned. We're about to swap these tires out. I'm going to throw this into the end part of the video, and then that's it. Thank you. All right, so here's our truck. We're about to get it started. Just keep in mind, we are going from a 37 1250 26 up to a 37 1350 26. All right, so Thomas is back on the road after this clip, headed back to Tennessee. We did the 37 1350 26 Furies this time instead of the 37 1250. We took off the RTs and put on the MTs, so it's a little bit rougher of a tread. I don't know why, but the truck drives a lot better now. Tires balance better. They've just figured out the MTs, I guess, versus the new RT. Let me know what you think about this truck in the comments. This was a weird video for me. I hope it edits up good and the timeline's not too drug out and long, but let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake.